Wondering what to plant in February in the UK for a bountiful harvest? Well, you're in the right place. In the heart of winter, it's time to focus on hardy vegetables like kale, Brussels sprouts and winter lettuce. These resilient greens will continue to thrive in the chilly weather, gifting you with a supply of fresh and nutritious produce right through the frosty months. But don't forget about those root vegetables. February is the perfect time to sow the seeds of carrots, parsnips and beets. Whether in the ground or containers, just ensure the soil is well drained and frost-free. With the right care, you'll be reaping a bountiful harvest of earthy root vegetables in no time. Now, if you're itching to get some legumes into the soil, February won't disappoint. It's the perfect time to plant peas and broad beans. These cool weather-loving crops can be sown directly into the ground. Give them a little support as they grow and they'll repay you with sweet peas and tender broad beans come spring. And let's not overlook the potential for fruit. February is an ideal time to plant fruit trees and bushes, whether it's apple, pear or plum trees, or perhaps raspberry, blackberry or currant bushes. Make sure to select varieties that are suitable for your region. Follow the correct planting instructions and you can look forward to a fruitful yield. Lastly, let's talk herbs. Many herbs, including parsley, chives and thyme, can be planted in February. These fragrant plants will not only add a burst of flavour to your dishes, but can be grown in containers or directly in the soil. Harvest them as needed, and they'll continue to supply you with fresh herbs all year round. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what to plant in February in the UK for a rich harvest. Remember, always check your local climate and growing conditions for the best results. Keep those green thumbs busy, and until the next video, happy gardening.